Hello everyone, I welcome you again to this video of my video lecture series of understanding ECG. In this video I will tell you about the rhythm and rate of the heart. First of all, whenever you are looking at the ECG strip, the first side you should class it, either it is regular or irregular. Then you will go further. First of all, how will you class it? That either it is regular or irregular. This can be determined by looking at the RR interval. Remember, rhythm is determined by looking at the RR interval. Here we have one strip of irregular rhythm. I have already calculated that this RR interval is 5 large square. You will have to look at your ECG strip. In the previous lecture I told you that RR interval is between the apex of two R waves, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 5 large square, and in the same strip here it is 3 large square, so it is the RR interval is inconsistent. So if it is inconsistent, it will be classed as irregular rhythm. And in this rhythm and this strip, I have given you regular rhythm having 1, 2, 3, 4, here 4 large square, here 4 large square. In each and every RR interval is having 4 large square, so it is of regular rhythm. Very simple to class your ECG as regular rhythm, that of regular rhythm or irregular rhythm, just by looking at the RR interval. If the RR interval is inconsistent, I means each RR interval is different, it will be classed as irregular, otherwise it will be regular rhythm. Now coming towards the second step, that is of calculating the heart rate. So it is the step 2. In the step 2, if the heart rhythm is regular, you can apply both of these methods I have given you. In the first method, heart rate is equal to 1500 divided by n, small n. Remember, this is small n. 1500 divided by small n, and this is for regular rhythm. Okay, small n is the number of small n is the number of small square between two successive R waves or RR interval. I calculated this. N is equal to 19, so heart rate will be very simple. 1500 divided by 19, it come out to 78. In the other method I have given you here is heart rate is equal to 300 divided by large n, 300 divided by large n. Okay, so here it is 300 divided by n, small n. Okay, what does n represent? N number of large squares between two successive R waves. Okay, so here it is large n, capital N, and it represents the number of large square. Just we will look at this one. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, almost 4 large square, so 300 divided by n is equal to 75, almost the same. Okay, so heart rate can be calculated very easily. If the heart rate comes out to be less than 60, it is bradycardia. If it is above 100, it is tachycardia. Okay, both these methods are for regular rhythm. Okay, now coming towards the strip of having irregular rhythm. Okay, in the step first you have already classed is irregular rhythm. Now you will have to calculate the rate of the heart of the patient. Okay, so it is also very simple. Don't make it confusing for yourself. It is very simple. Just you will have to do what? Okay, you will have to where it is calculated is heart rate of irregular rhythm is n multiplied by 20. Okay, remember this one, n multiplied by 20. Now what is n? N is the number of R waves in 15 large square. First you will have to calculate number of 15 large squares. Okay, number of R square large square up to 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. I already calculated, so here it comes 15 this one. Now I have already calculated that how many R waves are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 R waves in 15 large squares. Okay, just remember, if the rhythm is irregular and you are going to calculate heart rate, first of all calculate 15 large square, mark 15 large square. Okay, after that you will have to calculate the number of R waves, okay, in that 15 square. So after that, multiply that number with 20, approximately it will become 100. So this is about heart rate, very simple and very easy, you can calculate. And this was the second step of uh, ECG. So I hope you have learned this one, and subscribe our channel, YouTube channel, and go through the series of these lectures. Thank you so much.